The Ashanti Region has so far recorded over 5,000 of the 23,463 cases of COVID-19 in the country, thereby making it the region with the second highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country. As of July 10th, the region had recorded the highest number of COVID-19 related deaths, with a total of 58 out of 129 COVID-19 related deaths in the country. According to the Ashanti Regional Administrative Manager of the Ghana Ambulance Service, Melon, due to the increasing number of cases in the region, they have been forced to increase the number of ambulances and officers designated for transporting COVID-19 patients from 1 to 3 within the last 3 months in order to meet the increasing number of patients from isolation centers to treatment centers. Melon revealed that their outfit had so far transported about 800 of the over 5,000 COVID-19 confirmed cases to various isolation centers within the region.
Initially, we started with one ambulance, went somewhere in March for the transportations. And actually, in Ashanti Region, we go to all the districts to move cases to the isolation centers. We started with one ambulance initially. When the cases got to a certain point that one ambulance will not sustain it, we have to add another ambulance. Just about somewhere June, middle June, thereabout, we added the third ambulance because our numbers were going up day in, day out. So currently, as I talk with you, Ashanti Region, I don't have the update of yesterday and this morning, but I can tell you that we've transported over 800 cases in the region to isolation centers and treatment centers. This is between the March till, let me see, what's that, Wednesday. March after as a Wednesday. So we've been able to transport about 800 cases across the region. For now, we don't have any backlog.
He also appealed to individuals and organizations to support them with some personal protective equipment to aid in their operations, as their only source of PPEs was from the Regional Health Directorate. He said although they had so far not faced difficulties with regards to PPEs, they would, however, need more, considering the number of increasing cases in the country.
With the PPEs, if you have any PPEs, any form of help you want to help us with, is welcome. We are still fighting this fight. We don't know when it's ending, whether soon or not. We can't tell. We still need this. As I said earlier on, we are relying on the Ghana Health Service, Regional Health Service, to help us with PPEs. I mean, when we are able to get some, it will help us much. And any help of any sort you think, it will help the National Ambulance Service to fight this pandemic is welcome.
Meanwhile, some residents also believe authorities must enforce the compliance of all COVID-19 safety protocols in order to limit the spread of the virus.
I believe that the authorities, the municipal authorities, the district assemblies, and the nation at large should sensitize our people, and also the law enforcing agencies should also be empowered to punish offenders. I think, as Africans, either you use the theory Y or the theory X. So I think the theory X will do, where we'll go the street way. So I think that when the authorities put in those measures, it will help.
They have to enforce the law. People should wear the mask. People should make sure that without the mask, you don't even enter buses. It is very important. If we don't do that, then the case of the death is not going to be reduced. We are still going to have an alarming cause of it, or a lot of people dying out of this.